We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go that extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.